What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Novi, and this is my channel where I discuss everything about money, how I make it, how I trade, what trades I took, and basically what I want to share this time with you is I opened a new account and I started trading with 1,000 euros. So just to see for everyone else how I trade or how easy or at the same time how difficult it is to trade and how long it takes, especially if you're a beginner. So I wanted to share with you how it went. I've been trading now for 1 month and these are the results. So let's go. So now before we start, what you should know is I don't consider myself to be a professional trader. I don't even know what a professional trader is. But the thing is, I have been trading now for over a year and I've learned a lot, to be honest, because I've been sitting in front of the screen for, well, pretty much every day, all day long. And just to make sure what works for me or what I do, the trades that I take and how I take them, might not work for you. So keep that always in mind. It doesn't matter what strategy you're using or not using. A strategy that works for somebody else might not work for you, but it is kind of a sign that maybe you should reconsider what you're doing. And also, what I want to talk about is, since I'm going to show you now my results, and then you will see. So what's going on, guys? Here is the chart. Well, here is my account actually. Now, my balance at the moment is 1,102. I still haven't taken some profits, so actually I'm at around 1,134. So here are some trades that are still open. I bought the Dow Jones, the US 30, crude oil, and I shorted natural gas yesterday, which I also made a video about. So this one is in profit. This one is the crude oil trade is still in profit as well. The US 30, since we dropped yesterday quite a bit, now I'm a little bit at a loss, but all in all, what happened over the last month. Today is the 18th of September. I started on the 19th of August, so roughly 1 month ago. And if we just change this real quickly, so if I run the report now, so here it is. So all in all, here is a trade that I took, that this one, the gold here, which actually was a mistake because I didn't want to take it, but I wanted to take it on another account. So actually this one is a trade that I don't count, and this is why my profit here is 80, but actually it should be 100, which is actually 10% of my portfolio within a month, which was my goal all along. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I took 18 trades the last month, and I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I had 8 losses. So if we divide 8 by, what did I say, 18? Let me just. So my profit now, or my win trade, my win rate is roughly 55.5%, which means roughly 50%, somewhere in the middle. Now I'm still at a profit. I still made 10% of my initial 1,000 euros within a month, which was my goal. Actually, I made a little bit more, but as I said, I still haven't taken some profits. But my goal was 10%, and I made it, even though I had 8 losses out of 18. So I win one trade, I lose the next one. But the thing is, why I made 10% is simply because my risk reward was always, or most of the times, 1 to 2. So even if I lose one and I win the next one, I still make money. And at the same time, I only risk 3%. 3% isn't even that low, because usually what most people do, or what you would recommend the beginner, would be 1 to 2%. On this account here, I'm trading or risking 3%. But all in all, this was my month over the uh, this was my trading history over the last 30 days. So I hope I could help you, and I hope you could see a little bit information on how it is to deal, especially when it comes to a smaller account. So if you have any questions, or if you want to say something else, make sure to subscribe, to like, ask me questions, comment, whatever. And again, thanks for watching. So as you can see, trading is not that hard, but at the same time it's not that simple either. So, but what is more important than any strategy or any kind of trade that you take is actually the management of the money, which means the risk management and how much you should risk or not risk, how long it will take you. So keep in mind that playing it safe is never a bad idea, especially when it comes to money. If you have a little bit more, you can always risk, but if you want to make it really as a trader, you have to keep it simple and pretty safe. So thanks for watching, and I hope I see you next time. Make sure to subscribe and to like. So I took 18 trades, I lost 8 of them, which means my success rate is about 55%. And even though I more or less lost every second trade, due to my risk reward ratio of 1 to 2, I was capable of winning, and I made 10% profit after a month, which was my goal all along. So here you have it, risk management is much more important.